Good morning. Welcome to the Orlando Science Center. We are talking about how science works in the real world, and Tom's joining me to talk about some engineering feats.
That's right. We like, at the Kidstown especially, we like to do science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Yeah. And right this month, we're going to be working on engineering.
Perfect.
And we're going to end up with a wind turbine. And that shows how wind can turn objects and make it work.
Yeah.
So we're going to start off by showing you how we got there.
Yes.
We started with a cup, and then I'm taping this on here.
Looks like some sort of a ring, a big straw perhaps.
Right, and then we use just a simple piece of paper, and we cut it on four angles right here on the corners. And then what we need to do is we're going to take and put punch holes on all four corners.
Okay.
And I'm going to put this in a straw, and I go clockwise.
Okay.
So I'll go from the first one, and we've already punched holes in it. So I'm going to put it here, and then I'll put it all the way around clockwise to make it look like a fan.
Yeah.
And hopefully it'll work like a fan.
And the key to doing this is to start with a piece of paper, kind of cut it on each of these corners here.
Right.
And then put holes on each of the corners as well along with the middle.
And like mine, I'm going to cut it a little bit more because I think it's going to need a little bit more on there. And that's okay to do too. And then I'm pushing this up.
Yep.
And then we put it in here like this. And then it'll spin it around like this.
Yeah.
A lot of times what I've done here is I put tape on the front.
Yep. Lock it in.
On the back to lock it in.
Right.
And then we do our magic. So should we give it a try?
Yeah, let's give it a shot.
So I need to get my magic wind out. And we're going to put this here. And would you mind holding on the bottom?
Sure, I got you.
And then I will hopefully have magic happen here. So our idea is that this is going to come up because the wind is working. There it goes.
There it goes. Look at that.
There we go.
Love that. And this is the way that in some parts of the world, power is generated, right?
Right. Yeah.
Love that.
We get to show it here at Kidstown.
And hopefully spark that next generation of engineers.
Yeah.
For more information on experiments like this, you can head over to wesh.com or come down to the Orlando Science Center for Engineering Weekend.
That's right. August 17th and 18th. Come on down and you can learn how to make your own wind turbine. And we have lots of other activities during that time.
Very good, Tom. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
And thank you for joining us for the Science of It.